Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. I just want to make a quick video on how I fixed NDI sources in OBS, and I'm running version 32.1.0 and my distribution is Bazzite. I was having some issues because Bazzite is extremely heavily reliant on Flatpaks for its programs, and I needed to get an NDI source into OBS using the DistroAV plugin, and fortunately, DistroAV has all of its releases as Debian and all that stuff. EXE for Windows. It looks like for Bazzite, the option is to use Warehouse. You open it up. You go to this install packages, FlatHub, DistroAV, and you should get the option here to install it, which is great because after restarting OBS, it did pick up the plugin. I now have the NDI source option. But I was running into an issue where when I add the NDI source, I'll just show you really quick. I would not have my NDI source show up in the drop-down menu. It would be blank, and I even tried like filling out this manually, and it didn't pick it up, of course. I'm going to quickly remove this. So the way I actually fixed it was I did some digging online. So I'm making this video to document this, mostly for myself in the future, but maybe someone will get some good information from this. Most of the solutions were for Debian distributions and everything, but since I had to work specifically with the Flatpak version of OBS, I was having a hard time, figuring out what to do. I came across this post here, and I will leave it in the description along with the command, and that is to give OBS permission to talk to this other process here. And I'm not going to try to pronounce the name just because I'm going to butcher it like crazy. But yeah, it needs permission to talk to this process. And then once you restart your OBS, you should be able to enter your NDI source and select your source from the dropdown. I'm not going to run this command a second time, especially not while recording, because I don't want it to change something with OBS. But yeah, you might need to run it with sudo. That's what I needed to do on Bazzite. And yeah, let me know if you guys have a similar issue, had a different solution. But this is what I found, and it worked pretty quick. So just sharing this. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.